Hey guys, the Angel Shane 66 here again, and this is the last level I've made called City Demolition. It only allows you to make one level per day, and I'm learning as I go, but this one actually has a background, so it's a little bit better, and I'm getting good at this. So here we go. I advise you to always be the Segway guy. Why are you doing this to us? Because I hate you people. Oh, sorry, little Sally. Get out of the way, Indiana Jones. I'm taking some of this thrown away detergent with me, apparently. Because you can never have enough Tide to clean your Segway suit. Well, I lost the Tide. Woo-woo! Still taking the Tide with me. Okay, slowly. Oh no, I boned myself because of this fat guy, I think. Get out of the way, fat ass. Yep. I had problems with that part when I was making this level, guys, so a lot of people might not like this level. How did the children die already? Oh, I'm sorry, old man. Sorry, Sally. Oh God, I'm stuck in the trash can. No, 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 no. How and why? Yes. Indiana Jones. Ugh. There we go. All right. Oh no, she didn't go in the hole. Oh, hey, Segway Steven is okay. These people just can't get enough of their weird dinners. Last time they had a pineapple. Get up there, Segway Steven. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on, you can do it. We made it out of that hole so beautifully. Don't fuck us now. What the hell, Segway? Oh, darn it. Why? There we go, buddy. Well, there you guys go. That was City Demolition, and it, like, literally, really peeved me off a bit. So, if you guys ever play that, pick your character wisely. What wisely? That's a hard word for me to say right now. Wisely. There we go. Because Segway Steven might not be it. I thought he was for me, but apparently not. But anyways, I'm gonna go now. I got some stuff to do, but I got these videos for y'all, and I hope you like them. Love ya. Bye.